with Little Shishas for more than 2 years. Now he completed his LKG successfully. And about Little Shishas, I will say it is one of the best schools in Chennai. And whenever I remember Little Shishas, I feel like a lot of activities. Yes, Little Shishas is loaded with a lot of activities, unique activities, which will definitely engage your kid. And we all know the SARS corona pandemic. It came in between an academic year. Suddenly we all got locked up inside our houses. And there was a lot of questions. What we will do next? What about our kids' future? How they will learn things? Education, lot of questions. And fortunately, Little Shishas had answers for all these questions. Well planned, they implemented online classes without any delay, which helped the parents like us a lot. And there was two kind of classes. Offline classes means recorded classes plus live classes. So recorded classes definitely help the parents, like whenever they are having time, they can sit and teach their kids. Live classes help their kids definitely. They can see their friends, teachers. There was a kids teacher interaction, and I feel like Little Shishas never compromised anything because it's an online class. They just implemented everything how it is happening in the normal school. Same thing they implemented in the online classes also. And we celebrated actually the celebrations, ethnic days, extracurricular activities, and curriculum activities. Everything happened as is how it happens in school. We celebrated Deepavali, Christmas, everything together. And for my son, Little Shishas is just like a family. And I believe availability and response are the two important factors when people are connected only through online. Little Shishas, they were always available in our fingertips. Response will be very quick. Whenever you have a concern, whether it can be small or big, the response will be very quick. And the dedication from the Little Shishas team is definitely, it should be appreciated. And the hard work also. And lastly, the most discussed thing in schooling is fee. Very important factor. Let me be very frank, I feel Little Shishas not at all money minded. End of the day, you are getting more than what you are paying. The last question is, do you recommend Little Shishas? Definitely a big thumbs up from me and my family. And thank you.
Hi, my name is Bhuvana Vishwanath. I am a food blogger and an entrepreneur. Today I am going to talk about the best school which I came to know after a lot of search, that is Little Shishas. This is one of the best school in Mogappair. My son Atreya, who is studying UKG in Little Shishas, very finest school. According to me, this school has something magic. The way the teacher handle their kids is something so special, as if parents handle their kids. Last year there was so much of confusions, like online classes will be there or direct classes will be there, but the teachers were handling in such a way that students also got engaged in online classes. These kids don't know anything about online classes. Okay, they use phones or they see pictures or they take photos and all, but these type of students can't able to sit for a minute in online classes. But the teachers, they were trying to make the kids sit for an hour. For the difficulties they took to make the kids sit is outstanding. Even we parents also thought that how come these type of small child, how come they will sit for an hour in a online class? But to our surprise, all the kids were so much enjoying their online class, as they always used to ask when will Thursday and Fridays will come. In Little Seychelles, there was a good rule that from Monday to Wednesday there won't be any online classes. There will be just a week homework, that is from Monday to Friday for kids, only for kids. There will be no work for parents at all. Only parents just have to make sure that the students have done or not. This is one of the best school where they conduct a formal assessment and also for their parents and work according to that, and they analyze the mentality of the children and they progress according to that. I think this type of analyzation I haven't seen in any other school. Even my sister kids are studying in some other school, but I haven't seen these type of analyzation done by some other teachers. But this school is something different, and they not only focus on studies, but also they focus on extracurricular activities, and the way they teach their children, not only by writing or looking and all. No, they just make their children to learn via playing method. So this type of school will be very helpful for the kids, and I'm very satisfied and I'm very happy that my son Atreya is studying in one of the finest school, that is Little Seychelles. And I don't think some other school will give such a best curriculum or my children, but I'm very happy to be a part of it. Through online classes or direct classes, Little Seychelles is the best.